Okay. There's Lorelei trying to hit balls, as she says. Take your time. She got one. Gotta have some power. Gotta have some power in there. No?
Overhand. Try that again.
And it's a hit. And a miss. Whoa, that went right over my head.
And it's not a hit. And it is a hit.
Oh, she got it. That almost hit me. Good job, Lorelei.